I am in the middle. I'll set you back a bit. Hi, I'm in the middle of packing up. There's all my clothes. That's a huge bag. Can I zoom out? Okay. Huge bag. I've got 5 bags in the hallway and I'm just sorting out my clothes. My BTS shirt, Sugar, August D. I can't remember what it means now, but it's where he was born and some such stuff. Here's another one. Still smells brand new. This is the first video of me packing up and moving out. There's my bed. Here's all my clothes. These ones are going in the bin. I'm turning the computer off very soon once I copy stuff to the hard drive. And then some of that's getting packed up, some of that's getting binned. That's all my 5 bags of clothes. Mattresses going in the bin. They'll probably end up in the bin. Lounge is gone, seats gone. Filing cabinet will probably get binned. Rowing machines may be gone. Motorcycle gears probably going to end up in the bin. Fucking $60 for a pair of gloves. I got 2 pairs of gloves there. Speakers, they'll be going with the TV. Yep. Now check this bloody mess out. That's all my shit. All my shit that's got to go. Although not that. Just the shit you collect over the years. Studio lights for lighting, for videos. RC aircraft with the remote control, which I never flew anymore. Couple of modems, which I could never work out how to make them work, so I never used them. Battery charger. This monitor, I bought it when I first moved here, and it's really big and it's really good, except it doesn't do anything except office work. It's just an office computer thing. There's Samantha's shirt. This fridge, the door's almost off it. I have to actually lift it with my foot and close it, otherwise it doesn't close properly. But it was free and it's lasted me 5 years. Got to take that shovel back to the person who owns it. All those shoes, some of them are getting binned and some of them are coming. I don't know. Microwave cost me 20 bucks 5 years ago. So anyway, that's the first video for moving to the Philippines.